Use castor oil every day and discover these 12 unstoppable benefits for your body. You've heard about castor oil before, but you probably don't realize the real power it can have on your body. This oil, looking simple and used for centuries, hides benefits way beyond what you see on the label. It works on parts of your body you didn't even know needed care. And when used every day, it turns your routine into a powerful ritual of health and well-being. Sounds like an exaggeration? Well, get ready to find out that what seems impossible might be, right now, tucked away inside a small bottle forgotten at the bottom of your drawer. In this video, you'll get to know the irreversible effects that daily use of castor oil can bring to your body. These benefits act on your outward appearance, but also reach deeper layers of your physical and emotional health. Some of them you'll want to try out today. Others will totally blow your mind. But heads up, this isn't a magic formula. It's science, tradition, and practice all packed into one routine. And the best part, available to anyone. Want to know why so many people are adding this oil to their lives and never look back? Then watch till the end, because every detail might be just what you needed to turn your daily body care into something truly extraordinary. Get ready to be amazed. Benefit 12. Deeply hydrates the skin. Castor oil is one of the most powerful natural moisturizers you can add to your skincare routine. Its composition rich in fatty acids, especially ricinoleic acid, lets it penetrate deep into the layers of your skin. This action not only fights intense dryness, but also improves skin elasticity. In areas exposed a lot to sun or cold like elbows and knees, it works like a real balm. The feeling of softness and nourishment shows up right from the first uses. Did you know many moisturizers only act on the skin's surface? Castor oil goes further, reaching deeper areas and providing prolonged hydration. This is especially good for people with dry skin or who deal with frequent peeling. Constant use changes skin texture, making it more vibrant and healthy looking. And because it's a natural product, the risk of adverse reactions is much lower. A simple, cheap, and efficient solution. Another important point is the regenerating effect that comes with hydration. When skin is deeply nourished, it's more able to renew itself. That means fewer cracks, less roughness, and a much more even appearance. Rough areas like dry hands or beaten-up feet can benefit a lot from continuous use. Just a few drops a day, applied with circular motions, to notice the difference. People living in dry climates or spending lots of time in air-conditioned places suffer a lot from moisture loss in the skin. In these cases, castor oil works like a natural shield, preserving moisture and stopping skin from wearing down. Also, it forms a protective barrier that prevents water loss through the skin. It's like your skin getting natural reinforcement against environmental damage. And all this without relying on industrial products. Have you ever thought about using castor oil as a night cream? Applying a thin layer on your face before sleeping can transform your skin over weeks. At night, the oil works without external interference, providing intensive treatment. Waking up with renewed, softer skin that looks rested becomes a routine. This is a simple tip that can bring lasting benefits. And all with an accessible ingredient. For people with mature skin, castor oil is also an excellent choice. It helps soften fine lines caused by dryness and keeps skin firmer. Deep hydration reduces tired-looking skin and brings back the glow lost over time. Its antioxidant effect also protects against damage caused by free radicals. So besides moisturizing, it helps prevent premature aging. A real rejuvenating treatment. Benefit 11. Anti-inflammatory action. Castor oil isn't just a beauty helper, it's also a strong natural anti-inflammatory. Rich in ricinoleic acid, it has properties that help ease muscle, joint, and even skin inflammations. This ability is especially useful for people with chronic pain or autoimmune issues. Applied directly to the skin with a light massage, the oil penetrates and starts working on local inflammation. Relief can be felt in minutes, bringing comfort without medication. Many people use compresses with castor oil to treat arthritis, tendinitis, or lower back pain. Just warm the oil a bit, soak gauze, and place it on the affected area. Covering with a dry cloth boosts the effect and intensifies oil penetration into the skin. This traditional technique has been used for decades by natural therapy practitioners. Its effect is not only relaxing but therapeutic, reducing pain and speeding up recovery. Besides muscle and joint pain, castor oil can also relieve skin inflammations. Dermatitis, eczema, and even insect bites respond well to topical application. Its anti-inflammatory compounds help calm redness, reduce itching, and regenerate affected skin. The thick consistency of the oil creates a protective barrier that blocks bacteria. This prevents complications and helps heal superficial wounds. Have you ever had that persistent pain after a long walk or intense workout? Using castor oil as massage oil can be a real relief. It gently warms muscles, relaxes built-up tension, and improves blood circulation. This helps remove toxins accumulated in tissues, speeding muscle recovery. A massage with this oil before bed is a gift to a tired body. For those dealing with mild intestinal inflammations, there are reports of external use of castor oil on the abdominal area. The practice suggests its penetrating and anti-inflammatory action may stimulate the digestive system. Though it doesn't replace medical treatment, this complementary use is considered by many seeking natural balance. It's a safe method as long as done with moderation and knowledge. The key is regularity and careful listening to your body. If you suffer from tension headaches, did you know castor oil can help? Applying a small amount on the temples and neck can ease the pain. Its viscous texture promotes slight warming, helping reduce muscle tension in the area. In a few minutes, the relief spreads and brings mental relaxation. A natural solution that can replace excessive use of painkillers. Benefit 10. Wound healing. The healing process depends on many factors like hydration, nutrition, and skin protection. And castor oil works on all three pillars, promoting faster and more effective recovery. Its dense texture forms a protective layer that blocks impurities and bacteria. At the same time, its nutrients feed the skin from inside out. This helps small cuts, scratches, or superficial wounds heal more easily. The ricinoleic acid present in the oil stimulates cell regeneration, helping form new tissue. This is key for skin to recover without leaving deep scars. Daily applications on healing wounds speed closure and reduce thick scab formation. Skin stays more hydrated and elastic, which prevents cracks or wound reopening. This is an important advantage for people with slow healing. Wounds from friction, like blisters or open calluses, also respond well to castor oil. Besides protecting, it soothes discomfort caused by rubbing against clothes or shoes. Its anti-inflammatory power reduces pain, while hydration stops drying out. This is especially helpful for those who stand a lot or practice sports frequently. A simple care that prevents bigger complications. Those with small kids or grandkids know scratches and bumps are part of everyday life. Having castor oil at hand is a practical and safe solution to care for those little accidents. Its gentle action doesn't sting, which makes it easier to apply on children. Plus, it helps calm irritated skin and speeds healing. It's like having a natural bandage always available. Another interesting use is for wounds after hair removal or shaving. Skin gets sensitive and prone to irritation or small cuts. Applying oil helps prevent folliculitis and other typical inflammations in those situations. The softness of the touch and quick absorption make the use comfortable. And it also promotes smoother, softer skin over time. Castor oil can also be useful to care for tattoos in healing phase. It keeps the area hydrated, prevents thick scab formation, and protects against infections. Always used moderately and without suffocating the skin, it complements care recommended by tattoo artists. The result is more even healing and color preservation. A care that makes a difference in the final look of the skin art. In cases of minor burns or friction wounds, the oil acts like a balm. It soothes pain, reduces inflammation, and speeds skin rebuilding. Its antimicrobial action also prevents contamination. But it's important to remember, in more serious or open wounds, it's best to consult a health professional before use. Safety should always come first. Benefit 9. Fights cracks on feet and heels. Few things are as annoying as cracked, painful heels. Cracks on feet happen often, especially in dry climates or due to constant use of open shoes. Fortunately, castor oil is a real natural remedy for this problem. Its thick and highly emollient texture works deeply on hardened skin. With continuous use, it softens, nourishes, and regenerates the driest parts of the feet. Applying castor oil before bed and covering feet with socks creates an ideal environment for skin regeneration. During the night, heat favors nutrient absorption and intensifies hydration. In a few days, cracks begin to close and pain decreases. It's a simple but very effective treatment you can do at home without spending much. And the result is visible right in the first weeks. The oil also helps prevent cracks from coming back. Once skin is restored, ongoing hydration stops it from drying out again. This is especially important for those who spend long periods standing or walk a lot. Constant pressure on heels raises the risk of fissures. Using castor oil regularly is a smart way to keep skin protected. Have you ever tried filing your feet to remove thick skin? Although it seems effective, it can worsen the situation if skin isn't hydrated. The ideal is to apply oil before exfoliation, softening the area and making dead skin removal easier. This avoids cuts and injuries and promotes healthier renewal. The combo of oil and gentle care makes all the difference in the final result. Besides heels, castor oil can also be used on toenails and around cuticles. The skin around these areas tends to get stiff and cracked, causing pain and discomfort. Applying oil softens the area, facilitates nail cutting, and prevents infections. A complete care that promotes healthier, prettier feet. Perfect for those who want to keep a well-groomed look. In more severe cases, when cracks start bleeding, the oil also has healing effects. It protects against bacteria and speeds skin regeneration. But in these cases, use should be more cautious and, if possible, under professional guidance. Even so, relief usually comes quickly and visibly. Benefit 8. Reduces dark circles and bags. Dark circles and bags under the eyes are common annoyances that affect many people's self-esteem. Sleeping little, stress, or genetic predisposition contribute to these signs of tiredness. But castor oil can be a big ally in softening these marks. Rich in fatty acids and with anti-inflammatory properties, it acts directly on the sensitive area around the eyes. Its action improves local circulation and deeply hydrates. Applying a small amount of castor oil under the eyes before sleeping can transform the look of that area over weeks. With gentle movements, using the ring finger, spread the oil carefully. This stimulates blood flow and reduces fluid accumulation. Skin wakes up firmer, less swollen, and with less dark color. A natural, gentle treatment that can replace expensive creams. The secret is consistency. Continuous use, day after day, shows progressive effects. Besides reducing bags and dark circles, oil also improves skin texture, making it smoother and less prone to wrinkles. This is especially useful for those already noticing fine lines around the eyes. Intense hydration and stimulation of cell renewal make this area healthier. Unlike many products that only mask tired signs, castor oil acts on the cause. Improves microcirculation and helps drain excess fluids that build up under the eyes. This is essential to fight bags, which usually form from retention. Besides, it strengthens the delicate skin there, preventing sagging over time. Another advantage is that castor oil can be combined with other natural ingredients. For example, a few drops mixed with aloe vera gel or rosehip oil intensify the brightening and nourishing effects. This mix can be applied as a night mask, creating a relaxing self-care ritual. And the best, you use few ingredients and see big results. It's important to remember the eye area is extremely sensitive, so use oil sparingly and avoid direct contact with eyes. A small drop is enough for both sides. Always do an allergy test on another skin spot before first application. With these precautions, the risk of adverse reactions is minimal. Benefit 7. Stimulates hair growth. If you dream of longer, stronger, and fuller hair, castor oil might be the missing secret. Its rich composition of ricinoleic acid and vitamin E stimulates blood flow in the scalp. This helps nutrients reach the roots, strengthening hair follicles. As a result, hair grows with more vigor and resistance. And the best, all naturally and affordably. Applying oil directly to the scalp with circular massages is the best way to maximize effects. The massage activates circulation and lets the oil penetrate deeply. Ideally, leave it on for at least 2 hours, or even overnight if possible. Washing well with shampoo afterwards is essential to remove oiliness and keep hair light. With regular use, results show up in a few weeks. Another important benefit is castor oil fights hair breakage. Often, hair grows but breaks easily, preventing lengthening. The oil seals cuticles, retaining moisture and reducing frizz. This keeps strands intact from root to tip. Over time, hair gains shine, softness, and volume. It's also a great ally against hair loss. Stress, poor diet, and hormonal changes affect hair growth cycles. Castor oil, by strengthening scalp and follicles, helps stabilize these cycles. This reduces excessive shedding and helps hair grow healthier. For mild alopecia, it can be an interesting complementary option. Many people use pure castor oil, but it can be mixed with other vegetable oils like coconut or jojoba. These mixes make application easier, improve texture, and increase benefits. You can also add essential oils like peppermint or rosemary, which also stimulate growth. A powerful blend that turns hair care into an aromatic, therapeutic ritual. Regular use of the oil also helps balance the scalp. It has antifungal and antibacterial properties that fight dandruff and other irritations. A healthy scalp is the first step for strong, beautiful hair. Benefit 6. Strengthens eyebrows and eyelashes. Just like hair, eyebrow, and eyelash hairs can benefit from castor oil's nourishing power. When used regularly, it strengthens follicles, stimulates growth, and increases hair density. This is especially useful for those with gaps in brows or thin, short lashes. The result is a more expressive, natural look without needing constant makeup. Application is simple. Just use a cotton swab or clean mascara brush to spread oil on the area. For brows, apply with movements following hair growth direction. For lashes, be very careful not to get oil in the eyes. A small amount is enough, best to apply at night before sleeping to work during rest. Continuous use shows visible results in a few weeks. Hairs get stronger, thicker, and grow more evenly. In many cases, you can see filling of brow gaps and natural lash lengthening. A valuable benefit for those who overplucked or suffer thinning from hormones. Another plus is castor oil helps prevent hair loss. Its nutrients strengthen roots and keep hairs anchored longer. This way, lashes and brows last longer, avoiding that thin, sparse look. It's like giving daily reinforcement to hair structure, ensuring more strength. All this without harsh or chemical products. Unlike many cosmetics that only cover up hairs, castor oil works from inside out. It nourishes, hydrates, and strengthens, giving natural and lasting results. Plus, its composition is safe and rarely causes reactions. A simple care that values your natural facial beauty. And that can be part of any beauty routine. Benefit 5. Antifungal and antibacterial action. Castor oil isn't just a beauty product, but also a strong ally against infections caused by fungi and bacteria. Rich in undecylenic acid, it has natural antifungal properties especially effective against nail fungus, athlete's foot, and other skin conditions. When applied directly on the affected area, the oil creates a hostile environment for microorganisms. This stops infection growth and helps skin recover. Nail fungus cases, usually persistent and hard to treat, respond well to continuous castor oil use. Applied daily with a clean brush, it penetrates deep into nail layers. Over time, the color returns to normal and healthy appearance is restored. This process demands patience, but results are visible. Natural treatment is an alternative without side effects of oral meds. Athlete's foot, common between toes, can also be treated with this powerful oil. Its anti-inflammatory properties reduce itching and discomfort, while antifungal action fights the root cause. Applying oil after shower with dry feet is ideal to ensure effectiveness. In a few days, skin starts regenerating. And the best, no strong smell or burning sensation. Besides feet and nails, castor oil can be used to treat folliculitis and small skin infections. Applied with clean cotton, it helps deflate inflammation and prevent pus formation. Its antibacterial effect creates a protection barrier, stopping bacteria spread. This is useful especially on body areas that suffer constant friction. A daily care that avoids bigger problems. Did you know castor oil can also help mild acne cases? Applied directly on pimples, it helps reduce inflammation and dry the lesion. Its bactericidal power fights bacteria that cause acne without hurting skin like some chemicals do. Use should be moderate, especially on oily skin, but it's a valid and natural alternative. Benefit 4. Strengthens weak, brittle nails. Weak nails that peel or break easily can be a big nuisance, both for looks and function. And often, the solution isn't just supplements or strengthening polishes. Castor oil, rich in vitamin E, fatty acids, and antifungal properties, offers a direct and effective treatment. Applied regularly on nails and cuticles, it nourishes, hydrates, and strengthens deeply. It starts at cuticles, the base of nail health. When this area is hydrated and well cared for, nail growth becomes more even and strong. Massaging oil daily on nail bases stimulates circulation and nutrient absorption. This promotes strengthening from the root. A simple habit with long-term transformative effects. With continuous use, the oil forms a protective layer that prevents moisture loss in nails. This stops them from drying out and breaking, a common problem especially in cold climates or from frequent cleaning product use. Castor oil works like a shield, protecting against external agents and keeping nails flexible. Flexibility, by the way, is the secret to avoiding breaks. If you wear nail polish often, the oil can be your ally in recovery between applications. After removing polish, apply oil directly on clean nails to restore shine and strength. This prevents the typical whitening caused by excessive polish and acetone, a recovery cycle between manicures that keeps nail health on point. Castor oil is also a great base for homemade treatment recipes. It can be mixed with lemon, olive oil, or tea tree essential oil for stronger hydration. Just leave it on for 15 minutes before rinsing. These weekly treatments can transform nail quality over time. A practical option for those looking for natural alternatives. Another plus is its antifungal action, which also affects nail health. Used consistently, it helps prevent fungus and other infections. This is particularly useful for people who wear closed shoes all day or frequent humid environments. Preventive care that's worth many treatments and costs very little. Well-cared nails show confidence and well-being. Taking care of nails with castor oil is a way to invest in yourself every day. It's a simple gesture that shows self-care and attention to detail. Besides, the nourishing touch leaves hands softer and looking younger. Benefit 3. Softens skin spots. Skin spots, whether caused by sun, age, acne, or other factors, are one of the main reasons people seek aesthetic treatments. And castor oil can be a great ally in this process. It contains fatty acids and antioxidants that promote cell regeneration and help even out skin tone. Applied regularly, it softens dark spots and restores vitality to the skin, all without harming or peeling. The main lightening action of castor oil lies in its ability to stimulate cell renewal. With continuous use, pigmented cells get replaced by new, clearer, healthier ones. This is especially effective on post-inflammatory spots, like those left by pimples. In a few months, skin looks more even and radiant, a natural and safe process. Another factor that helps with lightening is intense hydration. Spots tend to stand out more on dry and rough skin. The oil deeply moisturizes, improving texture and softening contrast between different skin tones. Areas like armpits, groin, knees, and elbows, which tend to darken over time, respond very well to daily oil use. Just apply after shower with circular motions. People who went through pregnancy or hormonal changes often report melasma appearance. Although castor oil doesn't replace dermatological treatment, it can be a great complement. Its calming action prevents spots from getting darker and helps skin recover. This brings comfort and improved appearance over time. A gentle solution for a recurring problem. You can also use the oil on old scars that left hyperpigmentation. Continuous application may help reduce these marks over time. Mixed with vitamin E, its effect intensifies. This combo makes a nourishing mask that helps even out skin tone. A natural alternative for those who don't want to use acids or harsh peels. But it's important to remember, castor oil isn't an instant brightener. Its effects are gradual and require discipline. Consistency in use guarantees the best results. Also, sunscreen is essential during any lightening process. Without protection, new spots can appear and compromise the oil's effect. Combined care is always more effective. Benefit 2. Relief of menstrual pain with external use. Menstrual cramps are one of the most common annoyances people face during their cycle. These pains, often intense, can interfere with daily activities and harm well-being. Castor oil, applied externally, is a natural and effective way to relieve this discomfort. Its anti-inflammatory properties help relax abdominal muscles. With a simple massage, you can feel relief and comfort without immediately resorting to medication. Using the oil for this purpose is old and much valued in natural therapeutic practices. To apply, just slightly warm the oil and massage the lower abdomen with circular movements. The warmth of the oil, combined with its relaxing action, helps release muscle tension. This improves local circulation and reduces spasms that cause pain. A simple care that can transform the tough days of your menstrual cycle. Besides immediate relief, continuous use of castor oil during the menstrual period can reduce cramp intensity over time. By improving circulation and reducing inflammatory processes, the oil helps balance uterine muscles. Many women report less painful cycles after a few regular applications. It's a treatment that respects the body and promotes natural harmony, and it can be repeated every new cycle. Another effective method is using compresses with castor oil. Just soak a clean cloth in oil, apply on the abdomen, and cover with a warm towel. This technique intensifies the anti-inflammatory and relaxing effect of the oil. The heat helps absorb active compounds and provides longer-lasting relief. It's a comforting practice that can be done at home anytime. Castor oil can also help with other common symptoms of the cycle, like lower back muscle tension or leg pain. Applied to these areas, it brings relaxation and improves circulation. This eases pains that often accompany abdominal discomfort. A treatment that respects the body as a whole and promotes general well-being. Ideal for those seeking balance during this time. It's important to remember the oil is for external use only in these cases. It shouldn't be ingested or applied to mucous membranes. Its role is to act on the skin and muscles, safely relieving symptoms. When used moderately and with guidance, it becomes a powerful resource with no severe contraindications. A natural care gesture for a delicate moment of the month. Another advantage is that castor oil doesn't cause common side effects of painkillers like drowsiness or stomach problems. This makes it a viable alternative for those seeking softer solutions. And it's also ideal for people who can't frequently use medications. An accessible and effective support to deal with menstrual discomfort. Chapter 1. Stimulates lymphatic circulation. Lymphatic circulation is essential for body health because it's responsible for eliminating toxins, cellular waste, and excess fluids. When this system doesn't work well, there can be retention, swelling, and a constant feeling of tiredness. Castor oil, applied with circular massages, stimulates lymphatic circulation and contributes to natural drainage of the body. It's a care that improves aesthetics and internal health at the same time. And the best part, done with a 100% natural ingredient. When massaged on the abdomen, the oil activates lymph nodes in the region, promoting release of accumulated fluids. This practice is especially useful for those who feel abdominal swelling or heavy legs. With smooth and repetitive movements, the massage helps the body detox efficiently. Also, it promotes deep relaxation and a feeling of lightness. A care gesture that brings multiple benefits. The technique can be enhanced with hot compresses soaked in castor oil. Applied on the abdomen or legs, they help stimulate circulation even more. This traditional method is known to activate lymph and improve immune system function. Many people report significant improvement in energy after some sessions. It's a simple but very effective treatment. Lymphatic stimulation with castor oil can also be done on arms, neck, and upper chest. These areas concentrate important lymph nodes that act in body defense. Light massages with oil help unblock retention points and improve lymph flow. This strengthens the defense system and improves the body's ability to recover from inflammations and infections. A practice that goes beyond aesthetics. Did you know natural lymph drainage also helps reduce cellulite? Eliminating accumulated fluids improves skin appearance and reduces the look of irregularities. Castor oil, by activating this process, can be a great ally in body care. And it also offers intense hydration and anti-inflammatory properties. A complete solution for those wanting a light body and beautiful skin. Continuous use of oil for this purpose contributes to liver and kidney health, organs that work together with the lymphatic system. With proper stimulation, the body eliminates more toxins and works more efficiently. The feeling of tiredness decreases and energy increases. It's like giving the body a chance to work at its best. A renewal cycle that starts with a simple massage. This kind of care can also be important after food poisoning, prolonged medication use, or hormonal imbalances. In these phases, the body accumulates more waste and needs support to eliminate it. Castor oil helps in this process, offering support for a cleaner, more balanced body. An important step towards vitality. Another plus is metabolism stimulation. With the lymphatic system working well, the body responds better to physical activity and weight control. Digestion improves, swelling decreases, and sleep tends to regulate. All this positively influences overall well-being. A self-care routine that transforms health on every level. And if you want to keep getting the best videos for your health, subscribe to the channel because it exists for only one reason: to make you a healthier person with better quality of life. Helping you is my mission. In the video showing now on your screen, I reveal the food that will strengthen your muscles and fight sarcopenia after 60. Click the screen and check it out.